How to correctly link Samsung Pay to Google. Here's how to correctly link Samsung Pay to Google Wallet on your device. First, open Google Wallet on your Samsung phone, then tap the plus or add to wallet button and select payment card. If your card is already added in Samsung Pay, tap import from other apps. Google Wallet will scan for available cards. Now choose the card you want to move. Tap continue, then follow the on-screen steps to agree to the terms and verify your card with your bank. Once the card is verified, it will now be available in both Samsung Pay and Google Wallet, but keep in mind, only one app can be set as your default payment method. To check that, go to Settings, then click on Apps. Choose Default Apps, and then tap and Pay and select your preferred one, either Samsung Pay or Google Wallet. And that's it. You've successfully linked Samsung Pay with Google Wallet, and now you can tap and pay with either app. But be careful which one is the default one. Thanks for watching.